Welcome back, folks. Now let's have a look at the different places or channels your videos will live. And that's an important question because you could think of your videos as sort of 24/7 employees. Your videos work really hard for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So what are those places where you could use your videos, your software tutorials that you produce? Well, the obvious one, your own homepage. So starting off like at the very beginning of your homepage with that hero video that in a very compressed time frame, maybe 60 to 90 seconds, sort of gives an overview and sort of creates a connection and gives the main benefits. So that might be the hero video up front. Then down below on your homepage, there might be video testimonials of your clients. The next, maybe not that obvious place, would be your knowledge base, where you have all these, all your support material. So instead of only having these written support articles, why not put extra articles for your videos, like main walkthrough or onboarding videos in a certain section of your knowledge base, or back up your posts, your single knowledge posts, by placing a video up front and then saying, well, watch the video, or for those people who prefer reading, or read along how to solve that. That's one of my favorites, is putting your software tutorials directly into your software, directly into your app. Remember that onboarding video I showed you in an earlier lesson? Let's have a look again what happens if a person logs in for the very first time into this CRM tool DDesign Project.
Entschuldigung. Hallo, grüß Sie. Wir starten den Timer und los geht's. Das hier ist Ihr persönliches Dashboard. Ein kompletter Überblick über Ihr Unternehmen. Im linken Bereich geht es darum, neue Aufträge zu gewinnen.
This is an interesting way of combining a sort of welcome video, creating emotional connection, with educational parts, giving the first-time user a sort of quick tour of what is where in your software tool. But you can move on, and then if you have like special or a bit more complicated parts of your software, just put links to your videos directly into the windows or into the portions of your software, or even display little thumbnails of these videos, of these tutorial videos, to really make people click. By this you can achieve two things, and that's cool. First of all, people want to achieve things quickly. They want these quick wins. So people in fact prefer helping themselves over calling a support hotline. So if you give people that self-help by supplying those video links, video thumbnails directly where they need it, people will get where they want quicker. They will have a good impression of your software and not get annoyed of not being able to accomplish something. But the second goal is that, of course, you are taking a huge load off the shoulders of your support team, because all these standard questions are not going to pop up in these chat and email channels, but people are going to be able to help themselves. These were your own channels that you control, your homepage, your knowledge base, your own software. But of course, videos can work hard for you in the public. First of all, on YouTube. So if nothing speaks against it, put your tutorials also on YouTube. In this course, I will teach you how you can optimize, how you can do the video SEO for your tutorials so that these will show up when people are Googling on YouTube for how to do resource management or whatever. So for this attract